Hey people, this is Lee Shelby from Really Nice Homes. Okay, we are back over here on Justine, and we just had the water cut on. So as I explained to the owners, this meter was busted. They had to come out and replace the meter. It's a brand new valve on here, but I want to show the leaks. I just cut the water wrong. So we got one leak right here in the pipe, and these are galvanized pipes. So really, I would suggest just to get rid of them and just get new pipes ran. So I'm walking around right now, trying to see what all pipes we got busted. Okay. Where else we leaking from? Oh boy, man, that thing is shooting out crazy. Do you shoot? Oh, like a water park. Okay, you see that shooting out? Yep, from this joint. This hot water tank. Looking a little ball. Yeah, but we shooting out there. We shooting out somewhere down there. Let's see. We don't have any plumbing back here. Yeah, but just from my experience, you got these galvanized pipes. These just do away with. All right, let me try to get past this shooting water. Okay. Yep. So that's 1, 2, 3. Yep, and a meter. Let's see what's going on upstairs real fast.
We need to be serious about it. In the plan that we had come out with the public speaker at the house a couple weeks ago, that's
what's going on up here.
Number one, it completely eliminates the earned income tax credit. That's unacceptable in my opinion. Number two, 70%.
These pipes are totally
the funding is money that doesn't exist.
Yeah, they totally clogged. Well, of course the hot's not gonna come on.
Future projected.
Yeah, but they clogged. Yeah, I would just get rid of them. See what's going on in the bathroom. See if this is on. Yep, it's on. No water pressure. Yeah. No water pressure, but I guess you wouldn't have any water pressure. Well, you still should have a little bit. But yeah, those pipes are clogged up. They rusted and they're gonna need to be replaced. Yep, so that's what I figured, but until they come and replace the meter, we'll just wait and I'll check with you guys and see what you want to do. But yeah, as you can see, you can't, for one, you can't get any water pressure. Cut this off because of you got all these leaks, and then for two, it's because these galvanized pipes, and they are clogged up with rust. Yep, so yeah, I would just suggest redoing all them pipes. Yeah, that's just too much to deal with. When you start cutting and pasting them galvanized pipes, you end up causing yourself more of a headache. Yep, so this is Lee Shelby again from Really Nice Homes, and I'll see you guys on the next video.